everyone, welcome back. Today we are making Lucuma Mousse. Super easy to make and hard not to like, so let's get started. You're going to need Oreos, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can sweetened condensed milk, 1 packet of unflavored gelatin, 1.5 cups of heavy whipped cream, and the main event, 400 grams package of Lucuma. In a small bowl, put the gelatin powder with a half cup of water. Mix it up and place it in the fridge until it solidifies. Use as many Oreos as you need. After that, cut open your Lucuma and squeeze out all that goodness. Pour in evaporated milk and blend it up. In a bowl, whisk your heavy whipping cream until you have a creamy consistency. Now get your gelatin out of the fridge and place it in the microwave for 10 seconds to liquefy. Pour in the gelatin with the Lucuma mix, blend in the sweet condensed milk, and now the whipping cream. Get your electric mixer out and go for it. You can decorate however you like, but this is how I did mine today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more delicious Peruvian recipes. Until next time, moi.